How to turn on voice direction on Apple Maps. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Skydeck Studio. And if you want to enable the voice direction on your Apple Maps, then here in this video I'll share the step-by-step guide. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video, guys. Simply go ahead and open up the settings application from your device and then scroll down to the very bottom, tap on apps, and then simply go ahead and search for maps right here. And once you get the map, go ahead and tap on this one and then scroll down from this page and he'll get you to the spoken direction. You just need to tap on this one and the voice volume should be selected with the normal voice right here, and you just need to enable the direction pause or spoken audio from here, and also enable the direction wake device, and also enable the direction on radio. You just need to enable all the feature from here. Now you just need to get back from here and you're pretty much good to go. The voice direction will be enabled on your Apple Maps. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.